Let us embark on a self-improvement journey women everywhere can relate to. Hey there, happiness seeker, welcome back to Happiness for Beginners. This is your space for easy practical tips that transform the way you see yourself and the world. Today, we're sharing unique strategies that focus on sensuality to help you feel more grounded and empowered in your life. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us reach more women on their self-improvement journey. We as women are known for being great communicators. But let's kick off with something we might not think about often: listening. Did you know that science says hearing is the last sense to go when we transition from this life? That's how powerful it is. What we listen to shapes how we feel and see the world, which means we need to use this sense with intention. Spend a few minutes each day just listening, whether it's to calming sounds like birds or ocean waves, or even just the background hum of your environment. By tuning in, you can ground yourself in the present moment and allow space for clarity and peace to enter your mind. It's said you are what you eat, and what you consume through your ears matters just as much. Remember, we become what we listen to, so choose wisely. And what about negative messaging? Do you consume mass quantities of bad news? Or do you allow yourself to be talked out of your dreams and desires so as to not make any waves? You may not be able to escape all of the negative Nellies in your life, but you can make a practice of being in their presence while choosing not to absorb their insecurities as your own. Let's talk about another simple but powerful practice that engages your sense of smell: aromatic journaling. Lighting a scented candle, using essential oils, or having fresh flowers nearby while you reflect can help anchor your thoughts and emotions. Certain scents like lavender or eucalyptus can promote relaxation, while the aroma of citrus can uplift your mood. If you don't have time for journaling, recording yourself is a great alternative. Grab your phone or a voice recorder and speak out your thoughts, feelings, or goals for the day. Both options, whether it's through writing or recording, help you process your emotions while engaging your senses. Whichever one works best for you in the moment, go with it. If this resonates with you, leave a comment below. Which sense do you want to engage more in your self-improvement journey? We'll post content with even more suggestions to help you along your way. We love to hear your thoughts. You can even share a link to a video. Now, let's focus on the sense of touch. Tactile meditation is all about engaging your sense of touch during your practice. You could hold onto a smooth stone, wrap yourself in a cozy blanket, or even just feel the texture of natural fabrics. This physical connection helps ground you in the moment and adds a comforting layer to your meditation. By incorporating touch, you're making your meditation practice a full-body experience that brings more calm and mindfulness into your day. Another powerful way to grow is by stepping outside of your own perspective. Try seeing situations from another person's point of view, particularly people who challenge you. This isn't about excusing bad behavior, it's about gaining clarity. Compassion starts when we realize that everyone is dealing with their own challenges. Practice compassionate self-talk too. When you feel yourself being critical, gently remind yourself that you're doing your best, just like everyone else. This small shift can have a huge impact on your self-perception. Now, let's talk about overcoming victim consciousness. Feeling like life is happening to you can make you feel powerless. But here's the thing, you have the power to write a new story. One way to shift your mindset is by setting small, action-oriented goals. Focus on what you can do today to improve your situation. Self-pity is like a cancer that slowly eats away at the joy of life. If this is your go-to, recording yourself will help you identify and break the pattern. Also, don't forget the power of affirmations. Remind yourself daily that you are capable, resilient, and in control of your journey and how good it feels. Here's a powerful truth: when you help others win, you win. Life is interconnected, and the energy we put out comes back to us. Think of it like that toe curling actor, Adrian Paul, who played Duncan MacLeod in the Highlander series. When he cut off the head of another immortal, he absorbed their energy, their power. Well, when we help others overcome their obstacles, it's like cutting off the head of a spiritual enemy, and we feel that energy absorbed into our own lives too. Whether it's a kind word, helping a friend, or supporting a stranger, each act of kindness reflects back on us, making us stronger in our own journey. If you've made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an empowering tip. Let's keep growing together. As you move forward in your self-improvement journey, remember that it's all about progress, not perfection. Use your senses to reconnect with yourself, practice compassion, and focus on overcoming your obstacles with grace and strength. You are a soldier for self-love.